Hello, first graders. Welcome to your test on amazing animals. Number 1, there are nests in my backyard. Number 2, a bird is in one of them. A bird is in one of them. Number 3, it is to fly. It is to fly. Number 4, the bird to flap its wings. The bird to flap its wings. Number 5, it will fly away while it is still It will fly away while it is still Number 6, it will not be much longer. It makes its own nest. It will not be much longer. It makes its own nest. Number 7, I hope it will stay in my yard for many I hope it will stay in my yard for many Number 8, which part of the entry is an entry word? Number 9, which part of the entry tells how to say the word? Use the picture from the dictionary to help. Number 10, which part of the entry tells what the word means? Use the picture from the dictionary to help. Number 11, what does the hair of a polar bear look like? Based on what we read in our text, what does the hair of a polar bear look like? Number 12, why does a polar bear need thick fur? Fur helps the polar bear find food. The polar bear wants to stand out. The polar bear lives in a cold place. Why does a polar bear need thick fur? Number 13, which word in the sentence below best helps you understand what tusks are? Elephants use their tusks to scrape bark off trees. Which word in the sentence helps you best understand what tusks are? Elephants, their, scrape. Number 14, what could an elephant use its tusks for? To hide, to keep warm, to dig for food. What could an elephant use its tusks for? Number 15, why does a camel need to use the fat in its hump for food? It does not like to eat. It does not have time to eat on a trip. There is not much food in the desert. Why does a camel need to use fat in its hump for food? Number 16, which part of the article helps you know what a duck's beak looks like? The heading, the author's words, the photo of a duck. Which part of the article helps you know what a duck's beak looks like? Number 17, why would a giraffe need to hide? So it can play hide and seek? So it can catch leaves that fly away? So animals that hunt the giraffe cannot see it. Why would a giraffe need to hide? How do the quills of a porcupine keep it safe from other animals? The quills trap animals. The long quills trip animals. The sharp edges poke animals. How do the quills of a porcupine keep it safe from other animals? Number 19. Where does a dolphin live? Where does a dolphin live? Number 20. What helps a dolphin swim fast? Fins, flippers, flukes. What helps a dolphin swim fast?